All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, we're going to be working on this project again today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the comments for us. Leave us a little comment or something. What we're going to do today is we got this thing up on jack stands. We're going to disconnect the shifter. We're going to take out all this stuff, remove all the wiring, take the fan, everything out. We are going to replace the floor, complete floor. He ordered the floor. Hopefully that shows up pretty quick. And we're going to clean up this mess here.
No, leave it.
Yeah, leave that just like that so you can catch it all. So basically we got to get all this undercoat and this stuff off of this because it's got some holes.
Then we can
and then we'll evaluate what we're going to do if we have to, fix this panel, replace the panel, patch the panel, do something with it. So we got a hole there, another one under there, another one there. All right, so this is a shim. This could come off.
All right, whatever.
And then we'll keep that. All right. I'm gonna get all that done, and then we'll get going on some other stuff.
Ow.
Good?
Yeah.
Yep. That one. Let me go get the other side. Actually, we're gonna take the shifter out, and then we're gonna take that. Look at that. Spaghetti.
Oh yeah.
That's a mess.
The what?
All the wiring. That's all gonna come out. Yeah, that's all.
Oh man, I wish we would have had a video back then of what John Smith's car looked like underneath. Huh?
Remember that?
Yeah.
That was crazy.
And then we ended up with maybe 10 wires.
That's it.
Out of, it looked like it took a
Give me
box
that-
of wires
give me
and
that
threw them
light.
under the dash.
That's what this ain't gonna have nothing either. It's
Ain't that
minimal.
weird?
You got this side front.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, yeah.
5-mile long screws, bolts. All right. And
Did he just do it?
huh? What?
Nah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Bottom one.
I got it.
Long. All right.
Video.
Top one. Got it?
Yeah.
All right, Johnny. Take this out. Go get me.
You should put that on one time.
Oh, that would be so light.
I'm telling you,
Oh,
I'll get it to work.
What?
if like
Every
somebody
day
says
now
something
you
bad
make me
on
say
the
a
video,
bad word.
look at her. Let me say a bad word.
Man, this thing is a mess. Hey, come here. Where's the camera at?
Behind you.
Look at this. Look at this. If you ever had an issue with a wiring, you'll never find it here. There's like wire and it's all gone. It's all gone. Well, I'm cutting it all out. You don't need none of this. This is all old, nothing. All your new stuff that's going in here, it replaces everything.
What's he putting in it?
A whole new system like we did in here.
Door. Or push the door.
Can somebody get me a little?
opening up the mummy's tomb. The coffin.
With all the wires installed.
Give me the original
wire.
back. Oh, let me go get the other drill.
Go get me that angle drill with the air.
Alright, we're gonna put the bars out anyway. Since we can't get the dash out. We're not getting the bars out, so we don't want to ruin it. Be careful, it's gonna pinch it. We're gonna have to go get new blades tomorrow after church too, so easy. Just cut the back one and it'll come off. Alright. I'll get it when he's cutting a little more. Man, watch you cut your arm right off. There we go. One side's out. Oh. Alright, let's see what this thing looks like. Here, give me. Ooh.
Oh, nice. I like it. Alright, so this one you can sell.
That might be savable.
I think that's nice. I think that's
Hey, shine
nice.
a light on, what is that? The original color of blue?
Probably, yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Like a
blue.
marina blue?
Yep, marina blue.
Look at that. Yeah.
All right, so I think.
Yeah, sky, marina, whatever. Powerhead.
I'll show them this, and then we'll see.
Baby blue.
You might be able to save that. You know, get a glove box.
Well, yeah.
Get a glove box door. This would just put a plate in here like this.
How big is the?
Make a plate here. Put the gauges here.
Yeah.
Put the tack right.
I got it in the bottom. Put the tack right in the middle.
Yeah, I think.
Do it like
I mean, it's up to him,
yours.
but-
Make an original looking.
Yeah, all this could be blocked off.
Actually, I would
And
put
weld it
the.
and clean it and
No. How big is the panel box? You put that right in that center
panel.
spot. The panel box, like with all the switches.
Nah, because then you gotta reach way over there like that. No.
Yeah, true.
Put the gauges back in there.
Tape it all up, paint it a
Put
nice
the glove
black.
box back in there,
Mm-hmm.
and then seal all this off. We can weld all these shut like that. All that, and put the switches up here. All right, we'll show it to him.
Send him a picture of it.
I think that will look good. We're losing daylight, boys.
Yeah.
They're
That's
getting
why
there.
they make lights.
Quitting time. All right, we got all this off.
Oh yeah.
Everything in here is all disconnected and taken apart. pop the doors off so we can get in and out of this thing. And then we're gonna end up trimming that back. We'll see what happens with that next. All right.
There it goes right there, look. All one piece.
Oh, look at that. It's good prep work. That's why it's coming off so easy. See that?
Look at that.
Yeah. They just sprayed right over the grease.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
That's alright. It's all gonna be black from
Yep, everything's gonna be black from there forward.
All those gauges are gonna go inside, so I'm gonna clean all this off right here. Is it coming off in like a layer? Is it stuck on something?
Gotta get that out, and I gotta get this out.
This side's all done almost, so we just finish all that in there. This is really just paint now, so. Alright.
All right, so that's as far as we're getting today. We got some rot we gotta fix on this side we found. Yeah. So that mess we gotta fix. And then we're gonna, next step is we're gonna wire wheel that all down clean. And then we'll start doing some other stuff to the front. And get this front clip ready. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next part of the video. Make sure you hit the like button for us. Hit the notification bell if you want to be right away know when it's coming up. But if you subscribe to the channel for us, we really appreciate it. And you'll get to see this whole build.